Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the face of your home, a layer of protection, and a critical component of your home's energy efficiency. If you're living in Clinton Township and you've noticed issues with your door, it might be more than just cosmetic wear and tear. Sometimes, a door that looks fine at a glance is actually causing higher energy bills, decreasing home security, or allowing moisture to seep in. Here's how to know it's time to upgrade. Visible damage or wear. If your door shows cracks, warping, rust, or rot, it's signaling distress. Michigan weather can be brutal. Harsh winters, humid summers, and lake effect rain all contribute to deterioration over time. A warped wooden door may no longer sit flush in its frame, allowing air drafts to creep through. If there's visible rot at the bottom of the door or signs of rust on metal doors, it's a good indication that structural integrity is compromised and replacement is the smart move. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Feeling a breeze near your door when it's closed. That's a telltale sign of poor sealing. Drafts are one of the most common reasons Clinton Township homeowners opt for door replacement. Gaps around the door, worn weather stripping, or a door that no longer fits snugly can allow cold air in during the winter and hot air in during the summer. This leads to overworked HVAC systems and higher energy bills. A new, energy-efficient door with proper insulation and sealing can make a dramatic difference. Difficult operation. If opening or closing your door has become a struggle, it may be due to misalignment, swelling from humidity, or foundation settling. Constant sticking or the need to yank the door to get it to latch isn't just annoying. It can also be a safety issue in an emergency. A new door that fits properly and includes upgraded hardware will ensure smoother operation and improved security. Moisture between glass panes. For doors with window inserts or full glass panels, moisture or fog between panes is a clear indication the seal is broken. Once the insulating seal fails, the window becomes less efficient and more prone to letting in the elements. This can also lead to mold or mildew growth inside the door itself. Replacing the door is often more cost-effective than trying to repair or reseal it, especially with modern energy-efficient options now available. Increased energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have crept up, your old door might be partially to blame. Older doors, particularly those made with outdated materials or those lacking a solid core, allow significant heat transfer. Upgrading to a modern door with better insulation, thermal breaks, and weatherproofing can lower your utility bills and make your home more comfortable year-round. Outdated appearance. While function comes first, curb appeal shouldn't be overlooked. A worn or outdated front door can drag down the look of your entire home. Whether you're prepping your Clinton Township home for sale or just want to enjoy a fresh look, a stylish new door can elevate your exterior and make a great first impression. Security concerns. Your front door is your first line of defense. If the door feels flimsy, the locks are outdated, or the frame has weakened, it's time to consider a sturdier upgrade. Today's doors offer reinforced cores, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options, giving you peace of mind that your home and family are protected. Final thoughts. Living in Clinton Township means dealing with a variety of weather conditions, and your doors must keep up. If you're noticing these signs, don't wait until minor issues become major problems. Replacing your door is an investment in comfort, safety, energy efficiency, and your home's value. Whether you opt for a modern fiberglass model, a classic wooden entryway, or a sleek steel option, a new door can refresh your entire home and make every entry feel like a welcome one.